Hello guys, good evening. Being a Monday, 17th of June 2024. Actually, days are really running. I've been intending to do this for the longest time possible, but with God, here we are. Welcome guys back to this amazing channel and amazing episode of the weekly review. But in this start off, I'm going to do something very different. As you all know, I'm a trader, been trading since 2022, and today I'm just willing to take us through a small journey. That's a journey in a prop farm world. Okay, so besides the weekly review, I'm going to start off something that I'm dubbing 10 days to success. Actually, is a prop farm challenge that I'm taking like three now, but I'll be sharing with you one. That's the funded next 5k account. As you can see, I've not traded on this account. It's currently maybe 0.5% up because it's currently at 528 dollars, which means only like $0.5 up, sorry, 0.5% up. So guys, what I'm willing to do in this account, I'm willing to document and journal everything that I'll be doing every step until we get funded in this account. I have like three other accounts, but I'll only document this one in this online space. So guys, I want to take us this journey together. I'll be coming here weekly to see the progress. Today is on Monday. Actually, I'm doing this video on Monday. If you, maybe if you'll see it tomorrow or some other day, but I'm doing this video on Monday. I always start my trading week after Monday. I normally wait for the Monday candle to close, okay, before starting my weekly activities or my weekly trading activities. So it means as from tomorrow, I'll be live in the market. Now, this account that I'll be documenting here, I've said I'm having other accounts, but this is the one that I'm comfortable sharing with you here. Now, guys, just to give a background of what prop farms are farms that gives you money, then you trade, or then you have a profits. So you have a profit split. What you normally do, just go to their website, pay a small money to buy a challenge. They give you some evaluation, which upon passing, you get a complete live account. You trade on the live account at the end of the month, or maybe depends on what your agreement are. Some even say bi-weekly, even some are nowadays weekly. You get something, you get your profit split according to the percentage that you made. Personally, I'm doing with funded next. I'm also having funding tips and also contact trading. So those are the three that I'm dealing with, and I highly recommend you go and check them out for amazing stuffs right there. So guys, without wasting time, I don't want to make this video too long. Let's head on to the charts, and I'm just going to do a weekly review of the pairs that I've been reviewing over the week, and these are the pairs that I'm intending to trade on this pair. Now, for the purpose of this video only, I'm going to stick to one time frame in just giving you my views on each pair. Then we'll see what's going to happen. Now, as you all know me, I'm a person who I'm a student of the ICT a lot, but I've also have my own model that actually, like I say, all credits of course to ICT, because coming from ICT, and also, yeah, just the normal price action. That's what I normally do. I don't complicate things. Just like that, normal price action. So, kind guys, as you can see here, this one is Euro card. It's a pair that I'm also I've been looking at it the good part of the month, and I'm still looking at it. As you can see, Euro card. This red line clearly tells us that it was in an upgrade. Then what happens in a 4-hour time frame, again, these are I marked as my last breakout structure because this one was not that elaborate, but later on I'll talk about this one. Now in my 4-hour time frame, I marked this one as my last my breakout structure. So it means my 4-hour, this was my last, actually this leg here was my last low. So what was I looking for? I was looking for the price to come break this low. Of course, when the breaks the low, we're going to have what we call a change of character, which happened right here. And in time having a break or still a change of character, price would always try to correct itself to fill any imbalances left before pushing further, maybe in that direction. So this is what I was looking for. I was looking for, are you seeing this red line? This red line, I see, there's a time I zoomed to a lower time frame. That's why again, there's another choke here. This choke came evidently when I moved to maybe 1 hour, 15 minutes. I'll not talk about that one, talk about just the 4 hour analysis in this case. So at some point I moved to 1 hour and 3 minutes so that I capitalized on this move here. You can see there's a candle going here. I capitalized on this move, a small buy here. But the long term is that I was hoping, not willing, I was hoping that the price would break the structure here, then have a small retracement, maybe this zone to fill the gap, this gap here, before pushing further downward. And actually that's what the market is doing currently. Market is pushing up. I was hoping for it to come at least to this zone. I can see the market is reacting to this small, I'm not sure if it's reacting to this small supply, but I think it's reacting to this small supply here. Just hope this is not an SMT, but I think the market is actually reacting to this zone here. The market will continue pushing down, 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 down. So in this case, I'm just going to wait for a clear maybe break of structure, change of character, maybe in the 1 hour time frame. Then I might enter for a short and maybe collect my profit at this major daily demand zone. So that's my view on this one. I mean, looking at this market closely, even as I'm waiting for the, you can see the Monday candle is closing in like 6 minutes from now. So it means I'm about to be very close intense to the market. Another pair is this one. Again, you can see the same thing has been happening here. I marked my daily supply. This one should be my I think this might should be my point of interest. Again, you can see this one clearly. There was a change of character. It means the market now was in an uptrend from a downtrend now to an uptrend. In this case, there's a break of structure around here. This is my low, the low that I'm waiting to see. So it means, given the market, assuming the market is trading just above this zone, it means the market is still in an uptrend as much as it's consolidating at this particular moment. So here I was waiting to see, because price seemingly is like rejecting the upward move, and if you check even the higher time frame like daily or weekly, the price is in a downtrend. So I was willing to see if price can come and break this zone, then continue going downward. But that's something that I'm willing to. I'll be waiting to check and see. So that one is Aussie dollar. I'll be waiting to check. Don't have analysis on this one. NSD card, I don't have an analysis on this one. Another one is here. This one is NSD USD. As you can see again, it was a good downtrend. Sorry, a downtrend. It's a good uptrend. Actually, you can see from here there's a change of character. The market broke structure here, so it was waiting for the market to retrace. So these marked in colors were my retracement level that I was just trying to check fair value gap, including the Fibonacci levels. The market broke all past these levels and reacting to this zone, which is an order block. Actually, 4 hour. Can see if the market come to block here. These are 4 hour order block. So the market is reacting to this order block. So I'm just waiting for a change of character in the shorter or lower time frame before entering for a buy and collecting my profit here. So that's again another pair that I'm really looking onto it. I don't have analysis there. OC card, personally, I find like it is having almost the same analysis as OC dollar. It's like they positively correlate. So something that's there. I don't have a lot. I'll not be trading gold on. Actually, I'm just sharing pairs that I'll be trading with you guys on this account. I'll not be trading gold. I don't trade gold on this account. I'll trade gold on another account, so I'll not share that. Then this one is GBP OC. What do you call? But what's the nickname of this pair? Oh, I don't know. Maybe is this the loan or something? So this is a pair that actually I saw again is an uptrend. Then this is my supply, because you can see these actually are very strong push downward. So this becomes a very strong 4 hour supply in this particular case. Price retraced. Excuse me. Price retraced actually to the 0.5, 0.6 fib level before again buying and respecting the supply. Okay, so again you can see after this buy, price retraced all the way to the order block. That is okay. This is an order block here. Some people call it order block. I used to call it a demand, because you can see how price really how it pushed the price up. So it's a very good demand zone. So price reacting from this particular zone here. Then you can see what's happening here. How the price is actually forming. Is this a triangle? Is a triangle pattern? But the pattern I was really looking at here is this pattern. It's actually a good ICT concept. When you see a pattern like price like this one, so that it fails to sweep the liquidity, what do we normally see? Normally wait for the price to come to the neckline here and maybe expecting to push a little bit lower. Can clearly see the same thing happened here. Price came, it failed to displace the liquidity about here, so it happened, came down, and now it came to the around the neckline here. Yeah, this was, I think this was a news. The real movement is here. This was just a manipulation because of some news here. So it came to the neckline and again pushed down. It's coming here, so expect price to keep on pushing down. But eventually, if you're going to have, because if, as given the price trading above this zone, it is still an uptrend anyway. So this just um, maybe a bullish triangle pattern. Those are trading patterns. I think that's so. So just I'm maybe just waiting for the price to break above this zone, retest it, and enter for a buy, so that I can collect my profit around, because this price is an uptrend. I normally follow the trend. Trend is my friend. Okay, just doing a quick analysis of the same thing is happening here. This one now is an NSD. Those people trade patterns or anything can see there's an inverted head and shoulder. This is the head, shoulder, shoulder, and anytime, just to give you an illustration, anytime you're having an inverted head and shoulder, what do we expect? Anytime you're having an inverted head and shoulder, this one is a reversal pattern. So expect price to come to the neckline around here. This is the neckline before pushing further ahead. So this is my analysis there. So if you check, this is a very strong zone. Actually, I normally try as much to align my analysis with the higher time frame. So in the higher time frame, this is a very strong zone. So I can see this one now is a shoulder, head, shoulder. So the neckline around this particular area. So price currently is coming to retest this neckline. Then we might be looking forward to buy this pair in the long run. Then maybe lastly or second last, this one, very good analysis that I had here, quite informative, and the same thing happening. Can see this an uptrend. What was I waiting to see? A change of market structure or shift in market structure, of course. And in time, as I've said, in time there's a shift in market structure. We expect the price to correct either to a fair value gap or to an order block or supply zone. So you can see the same thing happen. I switched to a shorter or slower time frame to capitalize on this move up here, and again, now the market is doing what it's doing as just expected, because to got to this supply and go down. So right now the market is quite retesting a very important zone. You can see this is a very important zone, which was once a very strong resistance zone. Resistance turned to a support. So it's a very good historical standpoint here. So the market current testing this zone, so just waiting for the retracement to end, and might end up for a buy. Again, you can see it's very important to understand that above this zone here we have an imbalance here, which the market might come to feel before going downward. So the best thing is to wait and see what the market does in the long run. So the same thing, not very different from what we are having here. Actually, GU and EU are positively correlated. So in as much as in case you're doing your analysis and find that there's some pair moving in different direction, maybe there can be manipulation, but they should be positively correlated. So guys, that is the trades that I'm actually looking at this week. Remember, I'm having a mentorship that goes for only 10,000. So if you're willing to take one, please you can inbox me so that I can give you details of how I'm getting these trades. Right, I'm just running through, but I can, if you join my mentorship program, I'll be able to explain to you in bit by bit how I'm able to get these trades. Also, a good trade is good. You journal your trades. That's why I'm having this tool. It's called Notion. It's one that I recommend for analysis. You journal your trade. Journaling trade makes a lot of sense to you. You're going to know your progress. How you're going to keep your things right. You can follow up a pair for quite a long time. You go with it until you get to the to the very end of it. So I can see this for this year. We are in the June, and this the same month we are in, and actually I have my trades journal for all this period of time. It's a very good thing. And again, you can see I'm having a very good entry checklist. As a trader, you need to have this one before making an entry. You should have something that you're going to check to see if it's going to meet all your criteria. So personally, I normally trade on a 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes. So my trading strategy just simple. I just it's like just handing liquidity in the market, So waiting for the market to move from one liquidity point to the next liquidity point, internal to external. An internal liquidity in this case is a fair value gap or an imbalance. Okay, it can be volume voids or anything imbalances in the price moving. Then external, I'm targeting maybe an order block or a recent high or a recent low. Then my entry confluence is waiting for the hour candle close. The time frame that I'm trading in, if I'm trading on a 4 hour, that candle has to close before me opening a trade. If I'm trading on a 1 hour candle, it has to close. Or in an hour chart, it has to close before going to the next, before entering for a trade. So as I've said, this information is available. If you need one, please can just inbox my number. It's here. Let me just have my number here. This is my number. Just inbox me and I'll be able to reach you out. Right? I'll be able to reach you out. I'll be able to reach you out. This is 07 10 21 30 11. So this is my number. You can reach me out on WhatsApp or either call text. I'll be able to guide you more on how it is. So guys, as I've said, we are starting off this challenge. Today's Monday, means I'm looking for trades anytime this week, and I see how to be able to do this. Okay, so I'll be here maybe next on this weekend, show you the progress. Currently, you can see guys, it's just $28 up. Transparent with this page or with this account. In case we make a loss, I'll come and tell you we are still in a loss. If we make a profit again, I'll come and say, now guys, we're in profit and this is how far we managed to make. Okay, so guys, I'm willing to see all in the next video, and when I come here, I'll be telling you how exactly I would have moved this money to something else, because I know I'm going to make something out of it. So I'm not intending to make this video as long as past this one. But guys, I'll stop here and see you in the next video. Goodbye.